How to answer question. Can you walk me through your professional journey over the past 5 years?
Thanks again for joining us today, Sia. To start things off, can you walk me through your professional journey over the past 5 years? I'd love to hear how your career has evolved, roles you've taken on, technologies you've worked with, and any key experiences that have shaped you professionally. Absolutely. I'd be happy to share my journey over the past 5 years. I started my professional career right after completing my bachelor's degree in computer science. I was eager to get hands-on industry experience, and I joined XYZ Tech as a junior developer. In that first role, I primarily focused on front-end development using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. One of my first major contributions was working on a complete UI redesign of a flagship product. It was exciting to see how our updates directly improved user engagement and overall satisfaction. After about a year, I was promoted to a mid-level developer within the same company. This transition allowed me to take on more complex challenges, especially on the back end. I started working extensively with Python, building APIs, and integrating front-end components with back-end services. I also worked closely with the UX team to make sure the user interface was not just functional, but also intuitive and clean. In my third year, I was ready to branch out and gain exposure to a different domain, so I joined a startup called Dev Solutions, which specialized in e-commerce platforms. This was a pivotal move for me. I was given the opportunity to lead a small team and handle projects end-to-end. One key project involved building a scalable multi-vendor e-commerce platform from scratch. I worked on everything, from architecture design to feature implementation, using a modern stack that included React, Node.js, and MongoDB. Leading the team helped me grow my project management and leadership skills, especially in a fast-paced startup environment. Currently, I'm working at GHI Innovations as a senior full-stack developer. In this role, I've had the chance to mentor junior developers, participate in architectural decision-making, and focus heavily on performance optimization and cloud integration using AWS. I've also led efforts to implement CI/CD pipelines and containerization using Docker and ECS, which greatly improved our deployment efficiency and scalability. Throughout these 5 years, I've grown not just technically, but also in terms of communication, collaboration, and leadership. I've worked in agile teams, adapted to new industries, and consistently pushed myself to learn and grow, whether that's through side projects, open source contributions, or simply diving into new technologies. That's a fantastic journey, Sia. It's clear that you've had a well-rounded progression, from mastering core front-end skills to leading teams and making architectural decisions. I really like how you've continuously challenged yourself with new roles and technologies. Your experience with full project ownership and cloud integration is especially relevant to what we're doing here. I'd love to hear more about your leadership style and how you approach mentoring junior developers. Could you share a bit about that? Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.